Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the important questions of deep water. As I have discussed in my previous video about the chapter, and today I'm going to discuss some very important points of deep water. So let us see the first question. The first question is, which two incidents created a fear of water in Douglas' mind? This is a very important question, and we have to discuss about the fear of water, when the fear of water started in Douglas' mind. As we know that we saw two incidents, very important incidents took place in the chapter. First was when Douglas was 3 or 4 years old, when he went to California beach with his father. And the second very bad incident, which was the near death experience to him, that was in YMCA pool, when he was tossed into the water by a bruiser boy. So these two incidents took place. Very important incidents took place in his life, and they change his the life also, and he start fearing with water. So these were two very important incidents took place. Now the second question: why did Douglas prefer the YMCA pool to the Yakima River? Because he now answer of this question is because he wanted to learn swimming, and because of that he saw that YMCA pool is a very lonely and very nearby pool, and also it was no it was the place where he can learn swimming himself. So he start practicing, and also the pool was not very deep. This was also the reason he has chosen this the pool, YMCA pool. It was not very deep. It was just 3-4 meters at the shallow end, and also only 9 meters it was. So it was dangerous according to him. So that is why he has chosen that YMCA pool. Now the third question. Let us see the third question. The third question is, how did the instructor turn Douglas into a swimmer? So as we know that Douglas appointed an instructor because he wanted to learn swimming well, and he wanted to get rid of his fear of water. That is why he appointed a swimmer, and that swimmer he start practicing with that swimmer instructor. And then with the help of rope, with the help of other equipment like rubber tube, balloons, and other very important equipments which are being used in swimming. So with the help of these all, he now the instructor turned him as a good swimmer. And also with the practice, as we know, this is a common that he was doing everyday practicing with the instructor. So this is the answer. Now let us see the long question. What is the long question first here? That fear is worse than danger itself. How does this quote apply to Douglas ordeal? So we see that because fear we have itself in our own. Fear is just an illusion. As I have discussed in the previous video, that fear is just an illusion. The determination, the courage, and the perseverance are the key points to overcome from any fear. So this is only this is just an illusion. When we get rid of this, when we leave this, so we can do whatever we want. Then the next question is, conquering the fear of water helped Douglas really realize the true value of life elucidated. Yes, when after he learned the swimming, when he was practicing with his instructor every day, he was doing practice, and with the help of equipment and with the help of instructor, he was doing hard practice. And because of that hard practice, he became one day, his instructor said to him that now he can swim alone. So that was the day he was longing for. So after that day he starts swimming, and then after he just after removing the fear from himself, now he became a swimmer, and he start enjoying the water sports. He start enjoying the other active water activities, and now he was enjoying the full life. So this was the reason that after conquering the fear of water helped Douglas to realize the true value of, life. So let us see some more questions in other video. Till then, bye bye and see you in the next video. Bye bye.